Common competencies. Lesson 1, Applying Quality Standards, AQS. Content. Performance Monitoring System. Customer Satisfaction. Customer Feedback Form. Coworkers' Feedback. Supervisor's Rating Sheet. Suppliers' Feedback. Content Standard. The learners demonstrate an understanding of the underlying principles in applying quality standards based on prescribed procedures and standards. Performance Standard. The learner shall be able to apply quality standards based on prescribed procedures and standards. Learning competencies. Learning outcome number 3. Engage in quality improvement. Learning outcome number 3.1 Participate in process improvement procedures in relation to workplace assignment. Learning outcome number 3.2 Carry out work according to process improvement procedures. Learning outcome number 3.3 Monitor performance of operation or quality of product or service to ensure customer satisfaction. Code. TLE_EPAS 912 AQS IC 3.